I am going to explain about looper timing, lower looper timing and upper looper timing. Before explaining that, I am just showing you here how the lower looper catches the needle thread and upper looper catches the lower looper thread. This is needle thread where when needle goes down and going up time, the loop formation happens here, and inside this loop formation at the center of the needle scarf, lower looper tip should catch the thread. This is the way how we have to adjust. And again next, inside this lower looper thread, upper looper thread should catch the thread. This is the lower looper thread and this is the upper looper catching the lower looper thread. And here in upper looper, again inside the upper looper, needle should enter. Needle should enter in the upper looper thread here, so that this makes the loop formation as well as overlock stitches formation. This is the basic concept of the overlock formation. So that I will see in the same adjustment. This same adjustment I will explain you in technically. I am going to explain about lower looper timing adjustment in overlock machine. Lower looper timing is we have to adjust so that when needle bar completely comes down, at the same moment lower looper should be at the backmost position. Needle downmost, lower looper should be backmost position. During this time, between the lower looper tip to needle edge should have 3.2 to 3.4 mm gap approximately, so that when needle going up, lower looper tip comes to the center of the needle scarf here, and at the same time we have to observe 0.05 mm clearance. We have to keep 0.05 mm gap between lower looper tip to center of the needle scarf, so that we get a proper timing. Now I am going to explain about lower looper timing. To adjust lower looper timing by rotating hand wheel, bring the needle bar to the downmost position. You observe here, needle bar coming down completely downmost. At the same time, lower looper also going back. This is the exact position. Keep it completely downmost. Now lower looper is automatically coming to the backmost. But now, in this condition, by losing this 8 mm nut, bring the lower looper tip. This is the lower looper tip, and keep approximately 3.2 to 3.4 mm gap between needle edge and lower looper tip. At the same time, also try to focus on adjusting the clearance between lower looper and needle scarf, but make sure that it will have approximately 3.2 to 3.4 mm gap, and slightly tight the 8 mm nut. After adjusting this lower looper tip to needle gap about 3.2 mm, make sure by rotating hand wheel, take needle bar up position and confirm that lower looper tip coming to the center of the scarf at the back side of the needle. Clearance of about 0.05 mm between lower looper tip to needle. If this adjustment is wrong, again lose the 8 mm nut and adjust. After adjusting the clearance, make sure that lower looper tip to center of the needle scarf should have 0.05 mm clearance, and make sure that again lower looper tip comes to the center of the needle scarf to get a proper overlock stitches.